In this video, I will show you how to appeal Instagram's suspended account. I start on my Instagram main profile page, and as you can see, Instagram is telling me that they have suspended my account, and I have a button telling me to disagree with the session. But this button is very likely not to appear. In that case, what we have to do is go out of the Instagram application, and now we have to enter on Google. Here we go to the tab where the search bar is located, and now we're going to tap the Instagram Help Center, and we have to enter there. Now from the results, we enter on the first result. In this page, we have to go to the top part where these three horizontal lines are located, and we have to tap there. In this menu that appears, we go to the Login, Recovery and Security section, and we tap there. We have to tap on Account Recovery and Login. Now we will be redirected to another page, and here we have to scroll down to the section labeled I can't log in, and we tap there. Now in the I can't log in page, we have to scroll down to the section labeled My account was disabled, where the About Disabled Instagram account appears, and we have to tap there. Here we have to scroll down a bit until we reach a section where you might not be able to log in. And here we have to tap on the text labeled How to regain access. We have to write our username, then we type on next, and we can appeal the decision.